Hello guys, my name is Athar Khan and in this video I am demonstrating how to perform database level recovery. The scenario is that we have lost our all data file including control file. In this situation we can complete database level recovery uh, with backup control file. So let's get started. So we have lost our all data files including control file, and how to recover our database. So what is the solution? The solution: use an auto backup of control file from the backup. So rman target. So show control file auto backup. So our control file auto backup is on. Now we are taking. So first we check what is the location of our data file. Select name from $, data file. So this is the location of my data file, and now we check the location of my control file. So this is the location of my control file and this is the location of my data file. So for our demo I am exit. So I have to shut down my database because I want to delete all my data files and control file. Shut down immediate. Exit. Now I have to remove system file and then the file, this file, this file, and my two control file I am also removed. So I have removed my data files and my control file. Just check plus as. So startup. So identify control file. You can't find control file. So first we have to connect with rman target. So first start our database, start up in no mount mode. So it is already in no mount mode. Then restore control file from auto backup. So it has been restored. Look, now alter database mount, because our control file is available. So database mounted. Now we have to restore our database. Restore database. So we have restored our all the data files. Now we have to recover database. Our database recovered. Then alter database, open, reset logs. So now our database open and is available for use.